you put passionate people in a room together, there's always amazing things that happen and amazing things that come out of it.
It's just amazing to see how everyone is coming together for the sake of youth health, which is something I'm very passionate about.
The Foundry is a very revolutionary concept for people to be able to go in and receive like drop-in counseling at any time they want. And it's something we never had in the past.
Foundry really changed my whole life and my whole perspective on mental health and mental illness.
I think it's just such an amazing thing that we have to help youth from falling through the cracks at such a vulnerable age in their life.
I'm really looking forward to the workshops. Public speaking, LGBTQ awareness, and family and peer support is going to be really cool.
What excites me about being part of the Foundry Network is the opportunity to help others and explore what more we can do for our community.
I'm really excited about being able to provide a youth perspective and hear from all the different levels of organization and be able to contribute.
Being part of the network and being able to voice how I feel about the services, or being able to learn from the youth around me and then share that with the adults and the people who are in charge, is just a really great and powerful experience.
Believe it or not, Foundry started almost really out of desperation. I think it's been really cool to see where we're going. The conversations that you're going to have today are the conversations that excite me the most.
I think conversations are the best way to learn and to grow with each other and share common values and goals.